Today we are going to solve the following problem. A man leans against a wall. The top of his head is 150 centimeters above the ground. If he moves his feet 50 centimeters away from the wall, then he will lie on the ground with his head touching the wall. How tall is this man? So in order to solve this problem, we will start by illustrating it. Okay. So this line represents the ground, and this line here, this vertical line, represents the wall, and this diagonal is representing the man that is leaning on the wall. So this is the top of his head, and we know that the distance between the top of his head and the ground is 150 centimeters. Okay. And this here is his feet, so we know that we will represent the distance between his feet and the wall by the variable x. Then we're gonna illustrate when you lie on the ground. So we know, so this line represents the ground, okay, and this is still the wall. Oops. Okay. And here we know that when the man moves 50 centimeters away from the wall, he then lie on the ground. So here his head is touching the wall, and here, okay, this is his feet. So the distance between his feet and the top of his head that is touching the wall is x plus 50 centimeters, because we know when he moved away 50 centimeters away from the wall, he fell down. So this is why the distance between his feet and his head is x plus 50, and as we can see, this is his height. So we know the height of this man is x plus 50 plus 50 centimeters, sorry. And as you can see, this is a triangle, especially a right triangle. So we know that the right triangle has a useful property, which is shown by the Pythagorean theorem, that states that the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle raised to the power of 2 is equal to the sum of the squares of the two legs of the triangle. So we will represent that theorem by this formula: c squared, c is the length of the hypotenuse, is equal to a squared, a is one of the legs of the right triangle, plus b squared, and b is also a leg of the right triangle. So c is the hypotenuse, so it is x plus 50, x plus 50, all that raised to the power of 2 is equal to a, which is this length, is x squared, plus, and b is that side of the triangle, it's 150 square. So here we will obtain x squared plus 50x plus 50, oops, sorry, plus 50x plus 2500 is equal to x squared plus 22,500. So if we subtract, so we can see that x squared and x squared is on both sides of the equation, so we can cancel them, so we will obtain 100x plus 2500 is equal to 22,500. So if we subtract 2,500 from each side of the equation, minus 2,500, we will obtain 100x is equal to 20,000. So if we divide each side of the equation by 100, we obtain x is equal to 200 centimeters. So x, we know it's the distance between the feet of this man and the wall. It's the when he's leaning against the wall. So in this problem, we're trying to find the height of this man, and we know his height is equal to x plus 50, and we know that x is equal to 200, so 200 plus 50 is equal to 250 centimeters. So 250 centimeters is the height of this man. So if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment box.